Have you ever heard of the Great Emu War? Imagine a nation, armed to the teeth with soldiers and machine guns, battling a horde of flightless birds, and losing. In 1932, Australia faced an unexpected enemy, 20,000 emus wreaking havoc on farmlands in Western Australia. Desperate to protect their crops, farmers enlisted the military. Armed with Lewis guns, soldiers embarked on a campaign to cull the emu population. However, the emus proved surprisingly evasive and resilient, often scattering and outmaneuvering the troops. After several humiliating skirmishes, with few emus actually culled and the military looking more foolish by the day, the operation was called off. The emus had won. This bizarre episode remains a quirky, lesser-known chapter in military history, showcasing the unpredictability of nature and the limits of human ingenuity.